Hello, welcome to the craft bar. Today I'm going to be making beadable lanyard pulls. So these are things you use around the office. Get it out of there. Lanyard pulls. So if you've got one of these around your office, you already know these are very helpful. If you've got a badge, you got a key in, keep keys at the hand. Very useful. And these are like any other beadable project. You just unscrew the post and then you can push large silicone or plastic, wooden, whatever kind of beads you've got onto it. I've got beads left over from other craft projects that I've been working on that are red, white, and blue themed. I've got these adorable Texas silicone beads. I want to feature these on these lanyards. I've got 6 here before me. So let's have fun. Let's craft it up. Let's just relax and enjoy ourselves. All right. I'm a little skeptical but once I get the beads on here, this isn't going to be too heavy for the device. But let's see. And then it just threads right back through there. I think I'm going to go put this back in and then I'm going to unthread the other side because I don't... Oh, can I get this back in there? That's tough. That's tough. How did they have this down in there? Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay, so it's not in here. Don't be dumb like me. It's in here. I had to look at the other one to see it, but it is hard to unscrew these. I will say that, y'all. I don't like that. I'm gonna... And what's making it trickier is that this part rotates, so you've got to really just grasp that part. If you get the other side, you're gonna have trouble. Okay. Whew. Don't like that. That's a strike against it, but we won't blame the device for that. I think I've done this before and I can't fit 2 full-size beads. Let's try. Let's get our... How much space do we have to work with on this pool? No, we can. All right, so there we go. We can fit at least 2 medium-sized beads and the Texas, no problem, and have a little bit of room for maybe a spacer. So you got to grasp right here on the 2 white ends to really be able to secure that. But okay, I don't hate that. And my skepticism is so far so good. I don't hate that. That's cute. Got a little bling, little Texas fun. Yeehaw. Oh, we don't actually say that, y'all. Maybe a howdy. I've said howdy. Put the spacer in between it, maybe. That would be fun. Yeah, grabbing it by both the top of the bottom and twisting opposite like that works well. Okay. These are gonna be fun. I like these. I only have 2, but I already really like how this works. These are cute. And I have one where Texas is in the middle and I have one where Texas is at the bottom. So let's put Texas toward the top. Alright, I like that. I'm not upset with that. This is such an easy project. If you have the beads, these beadable projects, anyone can do this. Well, the only thing is getting it started. But once you have it coming off one side or the other, let's see. Okay, pulled off the bottom this time. It's very easy. Red, white, and blue. Texas, y'all. I like it. There's still a little bit of movement in these, so they'll twirl a little bit for you. I bet you got both flags in this one. Alright. I like how these turned out too. Fun and easy. So, let's take a look. Got very similar. The white ones, they are very similar. The black one, I put one at the top and one at the bottom. The red and the blue, also a switch at the top and at the bottom. So I think these are a nice treat. These came together in a matter of minutes. Super easy. Again, if you've never tried a beadable craft, this is a great one to give a shot to. And I look forward to giving these out. They're going to go really well with some other items I've made that are also beadable. And some have the Texas, some do not. Thanks for joining us today. We'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. We'll see you again.